for Dad. So this is day number 4 of 5. And I'm officially full time. And I am white. I'm not officially full time, I just got an extra day. But I am white. Look at me. I'm white as fuck. I mean, I'm white anyway. I'm very, very fair skin. You know, my hair used to be, it was like orange when I was little. Bright red. Now it would be cool, you know, because everybody has fucking brown hair now because everybody's like intermingled. They always, oh gosh, there's the deer.